Good morning, 7th class. Today we are going to discuss the topic describing processes. So, what is a process? A process is a step of doing some things. Means, what are the steps when we are going to do any work? Just as if we are going to cook any vegetables, so what are the steps? What things we are to collect? If we are going to wash the clothes, what are the steps? If we are going to polish our shoe, then what are the steps? Means that is called describing process. Means how the thing is done. So see what is written here. The whole day we are doing one thing or another. Most of these things are done through a set process. For instance, you get your morning cup of tea as a result of a process. Your shoes are polished according to a process. You tie your turban or your necktie according to a process. Means steps are there for doing the things. Your letters reach to your friend or relatives after undergoing the process of a journey. The newspaper that you get is the outcome of a very vast though very quick process. So in this way, what is process? Process is the steps. Process are the steps that are done to accomplish a work. So we have some examples here, just as how to prepare tea. Though you are children, small children, you didn't take tea, but your parents, your mother, your father, they take tea. So what are the steps for that? You must have seen in the kitchen. So let us see, are they same? First of all, sufficient water is boiled in a kettle. This water is used partly for rinsing crockery and partly for preparing tea itself. Rinsing over some leaves are put into a teapot, which is then filled with the boiled water. Tea is allowed to brew till it gives its color. In the meantime, some milk is boiled in a pot and poured into the milk pot. Then the cups are filled with the steaming hot mixture up to a certain level. Milk and sugar are added according to taste. Finally, the contents are stirred. Tea is ready to be sipped. So in this way, the tea is prepared. Then the second process, how to plant a tree. You know very well. So first of all, a place is selected for plantation. Then a sapling is brought from the nursery. A pit is dug at the selected place and the soil that comes out is mixed with natural and chemical manures. The whole thing is put into the pit. Then the lower part of the sapling is inserted into the manured soil and the rest of it made to stand. It is given some support if need be. Finally, it is watered. A fence is put up around the sapling to keep it safe from cattle. Okay? Do you also follow the same steps for planting any plant? We follow the same. And I hope you also follow the same. Now see, in your exercise 1, see here on the top, here is a description of the process of polishing shoes, but the different steps are not in order. Arrange them in a proper order, writing with circle 1, 2, 3, etc. So the steps are given, but they are not in a proper order. So we have to give them number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let us read them once. The shoes are allowed to dry after applying the polish. Lastly, they are laced up. First of all, the shoes are unlaced. The shoes are vigorously brushed. Their dirt is brushed off. They are rubbed with a piece of cloth. Then the polish is applied with a brush. So one thing I want to explain again. Come on the page 1. See number 2. As a process means how things are done, it involves a lot of things such as passive voice, use of passive voice. It involves the use of linking words or phrases such as first, to begin with, then, after, this, after that, finally, at last. So these are the things that we use, means these words are used, and the same words are here also. See in the color red, and here also. Let us see them. Now see, first of all we have to see which line should be first, where first is written. First of all, the shoes are unlaced. Is it so? First of all we unlace the shoes, then the upper line is lastly, means this line is the last, so we will put it the last number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines are there, means 7 number will be there. So first of all the shoes are unlaced, it is number 1, and lastly they are laced up, it is number 7. Then after unlace the shoe, their dirt is brushed off. Okay, then what is to be done? Then we have to apply the polish. The shoes are vigorously brushed, means their dirt is brushed off. Then the polish is applied with a brush. Then the shoes are allowed to dry after applying the polish. Then they are vigorously brushed. And then what is in the last? Lastly, they are laced up. Okay. So you can write the number on them. Then see exercise number 2. Given below is a flow chart of how letters are collected and sent out by the postal department. Write a connected account of the process in the form of a paragraph. Add your own words to complete the information about each stage of process. So see this, boxes are there. First letters written, then are collected, are taken to the sub post office, are stamped, are taken to the head post office, are sorted, are sent to their destination. The process is correct, but we have to add some lines. We have to use the words first of all, firstly, then, after that. These words we have to select. So first of all, letters are collected from the letter box. First, have you seen any letter box? What's the color? Tell. Yeah, it's red color. So red color letter box is there, and letters are put into it by the persons, and the postman collected all the letters from there. Okay. So first of all, the letters are collected, then they are taken to sub post office. After that, they are stamped. Then they are taken to the head post office. There they are sorted, and finally the letters are sent to their destinations. So what is the destination of the letter? To whom we want to write the letter. If I want to write letter to my friend, then the destination is friend's house. Okay. So they are sent to their destinations, right? And who delivers the letter? Yes, very easy. Yeah, postman. A public servant wears khaki uniform and he delivers our letters. Now see, additional exercise. In additional exercise, we have to describe the following processes. See how the landline phone is used. Though landline phones are very less these days, but what is the process to use the landline phone? How the house is daily cleaned, how a dog is daily looked after, how vegetables are cooked, and how clothes are washed. For using the landline phone, what do you think? What is to be done? First of all, we pick up the receiver, then we dial the number, then we check the number whether it is dialed proper or not. Then the ring is there, ringtone is there, and we talk to the person, message is given, and we put the receiver back on the telephone. So in this way we use the telephone. Okay, landline phone. So I am giving you some hints how to write. See on the next page. See. It is describing process number 4. How vegetables are cooked. Your mom cook the vegetable daily, I think. You also help her or not? If not, then you must. At least you can collect the vegetable, you can wash them, and then you can give to your mother if you don't know how to peel, how to chop. Okay, so at least this thing you can do, that you collect the vegetable, wash it properly, and then hand over to your mother. This thing can be done by the children. So let us see what we have written here. First of all, fresh vegetables are taken. After that, they are washed and chopped. Means they are cut. A pan is taken and put on the gas. Cooked, na? How the vegetables are cooked. So first of all, we will cut it, chop it, peel it, and then gas is switched on. Curry is prepared in the pan. Curry you know very well. Your mother prepared the curry, means chok. Then vegetables are put and spices are added. After that, pan is covered with a lid and left it for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the vegetables are checked and gas is switched off. In this way, the vegetables are cooked. Okay? So very simple process. We have to write 5 to 6 lines, 6 to 7 lines, whatever are necessary, and we have to write that process. See, one more is there. How are clothes washed? How clothes are washed? First of all, the dirty clothes are collected near the washing machine. First of all, the dirty clothes are collected near the washing machine. Then the washing machine is filled with water up to the medium level, not high, medium level we fill. Then detergent is added to water. Then after that, dirty clothes are put into the machine. The machine is switched on, timer is set, and after the fixed time, the clothes are washed. And then they are ready to dry. Okay, so this is the process. So I think the chapter is clear to you. Process means how to prepare anything, what are the steps to make the things ready. So in this way you can do the other also, just as how the house is daily cleaned. Your mother daily clean the house, or sometime maids, in many houses maids are there, they clean the house. But before that, maid only done brooming or we can say she didn't do the dusting etc., setting the things, she just broom and swipe. So the other things are to be done by the family members, just as setting the thing, dusting the thing. So all the things should be included in setting the house or cleaning the house. So we have to take a piece of cloth, then the dirt is removed from the material of the house. So in this way all the process we have to write ki what are the steps to make the house clean, and how the dog is daily looked after. So the dog is to be given the food also, and he should be given a bath also, he should be taken to the exercise also, food also. So all the things we have to include, he should be given the rest also. So all these things we have to include, and we have to write in passive form. Just as how vegetables are cooked, first of all fresh vegetables are taken, vegetable ली जाती हैं. So this thing we have to keep in mind, that we have to write in a passive form कि this thing is done, vegetables are taken, then vegetables are peeled. Okay, so these are the steps of doing the thing. So thank you students.